Have you ever wanted to make sun-dried tomatoes? Then this is the video for you. Get 500 grams of cherry or baby Romas like these. Make sure you cut them in half and put them down on your board like this. You will see why in a second. Use a bread knife to do this. You will be surprised at how many chefs use a bread knife for everything in a pro kitchen. Then get yourself a baking tray lined with a silpat, bench scraper next, underneath gently, hand on top, and slide those beautiful tomatoes onto your tray just like this. Once you've got them all on there, what you're going to do is get your tray and gently, with the palm of your hand, flatten them out so they're all facing cut side up. You can straighten a few up as you go. Then get a few sprigs of thyme, maybe about a tablespoon or so, pick off the leaves and scatter them lovingly all over your tomatoes. Next, we're going to add a nice bit of seasoning of black pepper, and I'm using smoked Maldon salt. You can use whatever salt you've got, but I love smoked Maldon. And then generously drizzle some extra virgin olive oil. The good quality stuff, not the crap stuff. About 1 to 2 tablespoons. Then we're going to put it in a low oven, 175 or 200 Fahrenheit, for about 4 to 6 hours, depending on the oven you have. Afterwards, they're going to look like this. They're going to be a little bit dry, a little bit pliable, a little bit juicy. So what you're going to do with them is try and make a decision like this and get them into a container, or just go for it like I did there. Use your bench scraper and scrape off all of that seasoning from the bottom of the tray. Get it in, and then we're going to put a handful of basil in the jar with our tomatoes, and then just cover it with extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah, mix that through a little bit, and then just top it up with a bit more oil. And there you have glorious homemade sun-dried tomatoes. Check out these. Get a lid on them, get them nicely stored, put them in your fridge, and they'll keep for as long as you need them to, about 3 to 4 weeks. See you on the next one.